Hi, welcome to OPSRACE training program. So we were discussing about Git. Sometime within your code, there are certain folders or files that are created and you don't want them to be part of your repository, or you want your repository not to track them because they will keep generating, and for each developer based on their environment those files would be generated. So we have here extra. Let's try to ignore it. So we will create a file gitignore, and here we will simply use write down the name. We want to exclude everything within this folder as well. Control O and Control X. Now if we look at the git status, it is still going to say, so we have to commit this gitignore file as, so we'll add git.add. We can clearly see here now we don't see extra here because of this file has forced the repo not to track this folder. Push this, so git let's say git add dot now let's check the status. Okay, now ignore file is stage git commit -m adding git ignore file. Okay, got it. So ls minus all, we have created git ignore. Now whatever changes within this folder will not be tracked. Let's try. Let's go inside nano some file.txt. Here we can write down some text. We get out of it, get out of here. Now if we look at the git status, so although we have created a new file but git is not tracking it anymore. This could be a temporary file or something which is basically can be retrieved later on through the code compilation, etc. So we don't want that to be pushed to the remote repository. So that's how we ignore certain folders from repository so that it may not track it. I hope that makes sense. Let's meet in the next lecture.